Hello good day viewers, you are welcome back to Shabes online tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this equation on the board. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes online tutorial. So the question on the board read y square minus 20y plus 149 is equal to 3y square plus 72y plus 69 then divided by y plus 1, and we're asked to solve for the value of y in this equation. So let's get started. Solution. So the left hand side of the equation, we are having y squared minus 21y then plus 149, which is equal to, if you look at the right hand side of this equation, 3y squared plus 72y plus 69. We notice that 3 is common here because 3 can go into 3y squared, 3 can also go into 72, also 3 can go into 69. So therefore 3 is common. We're going to factor out 3. Then we open bracket. Y squared divided 3y squared divided by 3 will cancel, it will remain only y squared, then plus 72 divided by 3 is going to give us 24, then y, then plus 69 divided by 3 is going to give us 23. So everything over y plus 1. So in the left hand side we still have y squared minus 21y then plus 149, which is equal to 3. Then we open bracket. So if you look at this, inside this bracket, y squared, y to the second power, y to the first power, and this is constant. So this is quadratic equation. What we are going to do is to use factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. Then you look for two numbers. When you add the two numbers together, you are going to get this coefficient of y, which is 24. Then when you multiply the number, you are going to get 23. And of course, the number is going to be positive 23, then positive 1. If you add 23 plus 1 is going to give you 24, which is the coefficient of y. And if you multiply 23 by 1, it's going to give you 23, which is constant. So therefore, the two number is 23 and 1. So y plus 23, then we open another bracket, we're having y plus 1. So this is the two number. Then divided by y plus 1. So in the left hand side, we are having y squared minus 21y then plus 149, which is equal to this y plus 1 will go away with this y plus 1. So we are left with 3 into the bracket of y plus 23. So now we are having, in the left hand side, we're having y squared minus 21y plus 149, which is equal to, we are going to use this 3 to distribute into the bracket. 3 multiplied by y is going to give us 3y, then plus 3 multiplied by 23 is going to give us 69. Now the next thing we are going to do is to combine the like term. We notice that we have y here and y, and this is constant and constant, so we can combine them together. We're going to have y squared minus 21y, then this is another y, but it's positive here, it's going to change to negative 3y when it crosses this equality sign, then plus 149, and this is 69 here. If it crosses the equality sign, it's going to be negative 69. Everything is equal to 0. We transfer everything the right hand side to the left hand side. So the next thing we're going to do is to add this common term together. We're going to have y squared minus 21y minus 3y is going to give us minus 24y. Then 149 minus 69 is going to give us positive 80, which is equal to 0. So what do you notice here? Y to the second power, y to the first power, and this is constant. So this is quadratic equation. So we're going to use factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. And the fastest way to do it is open two brackets, use two brackets to multiply each other, then equate it to 0. So remember, we are looking for the value of y. So the next thing we are going to do is to think of two numbers. When you multiply them, we are going to get 80. Then when you add them, we are going to get minus 24. Because the number is going to be minus 20 and minus 4. Because if you add minus 20 and minus 4, it's going to give us minus 24. And if you multiply them, it's going to give us positive 80. Minus 20, and multiply by minus 4 is going to give us 80, which is the constant. And if you add minus 20 plus minus 4 is going to give us minus 24, which is the coefficient of y. So therefore the number is minus 20 and minus 4. We're going to have what? Minus 20 and minus 4. So and remember, when two terms and multiply each other and is equal to 0, is either y minus 20 is equal to 0 or y minus 4 is equal to 0. So now we can take this minus 20 to the other side to get the first value of y. Y now will be equal to, when minus 20 cross the equality sign, it will change to positive 20. So this is y1, or to get the value of y2, y2 will equal to, if you take this negative 4 to the other side, it's going to be 4. So therefore the value of y that satisfies this equation is going to be positive 20 or 4. This is the two solution of y in this equation. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Chabez Online Tutorial. Thanks.